not for the harsh and fierce time, which brings tempest and winds, that disturbs the elements and makes the sky brown and blue. Does my desire change? Rather my thought is in joy and in singing. And I wish to be more joyful when I see the snow high on the high mountain, and when the flowers spread over the plain. Love and joy enclose me, and sense gives me measure, and beauty and youth make me glad and rejoice me. And a frank, gay, noble body is my surety against all ills. A beautiful laugh and a sweet glance make me laugh and play. Courteous solace keeps me and wins me, and entire joy takes from me trouble and sorrow. Lady, I praise myself to you, for you are sweet and pleasing, and the most graceful that any man names. For your teaching makes you to those who know be blessed and held dear, and to me so much loved that my heart and sense tell me to remain with you. And if you do me harm, not to complain of it to another. I am your blessing and obedient servant, like one who stays with you to do your desires. And may frank choice no longer delay for me what it makes me hope for, since Arthur has conquered in Brittany. There is no reason that joy should fail me. For whoever sees or hears you cannot be sad for any sorrow. Ah, lady, so sweetly your laughing face overpowers me and conquers me, that when I hear you speak, cannot turn my eyes away. Your sweet company so delights me that another is savage and strange to me. From where the beech tree grows, there comes to me a joy for which I am gay and joyful, that honors the name of Poeto. Never conquer me by often combing his hair, though he combs and looks at himself and laments all his business is not worth a chestnut. For his heart is weak and hollow, and he is less than nothing. For of 1,000 oaths one would not believe him a nail's worth. Speak of such people, therefore I let it be about in Sock, son of Albar, where wickedness lodges and bathes, and his worth is such as a spider's thread. sojourn he takes there in Spain. Brother, I used to laugh and play and sing for you, but now it is right that I sigh and lament, for your love has become savage and strange to me. Fair Sembalus, for you I love, certain you